arms around a sacred piece of solid ground, the flesh and bone that gives me strength to stand. Where the fire in my driving on, the drive behind my coming home, the living, breathing reason that I am. Y'all got it? Thank y'all so much. Appreciate that. That's why I'm here. Hey, do y'all mind? I'm gonna play a couple songs on my piano real quick. I'm glad y'all came down here. I was getting lonely. You're welcome. That was appropriate. Thank you. You're welcome. So, y'all may or may not know this, but I grew up not too far from here, I don't think. Grew up in the big old city of Lyons, Georgia. Lyons, Georgia. Y'all know that. I moved to Nashville back in 2002. Had dreams. Wanted to be on the radio. Wanted to play the Grand Ole Opry. But in the meantime, I had to make a living, so I was very fortunate along the way. I got to play piano for some pretty big stars. I got to play piano for a fellow from Texas for about a year and a half. He had a string of hits, I don't know, something in the 90s and on into the 2000s. Had a lot of fun playing piano for this guy. Y'all may have heard of him. His name's Tracy Byrd. Y'all have heard of him, that's all right. I heard through the grapevine that Tracy's going to be coming back out and doing some new music, y'all. I also got to play piano for a good friend of mine. I didn't know him at the time, but I heard from a friend, from another friend, that he needed a piano player. This is back before he had his record deal. Now he's a big old star. We're going to be playing a show with him tomorrow night. We're pretty excited about. Ain't no doubt in my mind y'all heard of this guy. His name's Luke Bryan. Me and Luke were still buddies even though we did fight. In retrospect, I guess it was a good one. So I got a song on my CD called My Little Cowboy. When I wrote the song, it was back when I found out I was going to be a dad for the first time. And I thought we were going to have a boy. Ended up having a little girl. That's right. I believe every father should have at least one daughter. But I got to thinking about it. I said, I can't have my girls growing up thinking I wrote a song about them called My Little Cowboy. I tried to change it to My Little Cowgirl, but it just didn't work. So I sat down and I wrote this song right here. This is specifically for my baby girls. And if there's anybody here that has daughters, you know what I'm talking about. And all the ladies here, I can guarantee you that your daddy thinks this about you. When I was young,